Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saad Can Education Services. Assalamu alaikum. How are you kids? I hope you all are fine and safe. I'm your teacher. Dear kids, take out your English copy. Dear kids, open page number 142. Write down date here and mention HW here. Match the sounds with correct picture. These are sounds and these are pictures. Okay, now read sound with me. E, J, K, E. Once again, repeat after me. E, J, K, E. Now the picture names: kite, line, ink, jug. Repeat after me. Kite, line, ink, jug. Now you have to match correct sound with correct picture. Okay. E match with kite. No. E match with line. No. E match with ink. Yes. Now you have to match sound E with ink like this. Okay, now the second sound J. J match with kite. No. J match with line. No. J match with ink. No. J match with jug. Yes. You have to match J with jug like this. Okay, now the third sound K. K match with kite. Yes. You have to match K with kite like this. Okay, now the last sound U. U match with kite. No. U match with line. Yes, you have to match U with line like this. Okay, kids. Now you have to color in these pictures and do this work neatly and cleanly. Open page number 143. Write down date here and HW mention here like this. Right, this is self-write. Here you have to write by yourself. Okay, start from the second line. Put your pencil on the dot. E is down with the dot above. Once again. E is down with the dot above. Okay, now the second sound J. Put your pencil on the second line. On the dot, J is down and down, then turn a little with the dot above. Put your pencil on the dot on the second line. J is down and down, then turn a little with the dot above. Now sound K. Put your pencil on the first line on the dot. K is down and down, and give it a kick. Once again, put your pencil on the dot. K is down and down, and give it a kick. K. Okay, now the last sound is down and down. Put your pencil on the dot. Is down and down. Okay, kids, here you have to write by yourself. Do this work neatly and cleanly. Dear kids, do more and more practice at your home. Stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.